Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Whoa! Hello, super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki, number block 10. Let's start drawing. First, draw a rectangle. And inside it, draw another rectangle. Now draw the outer outline around it. A nice square body. Perfect. Now draw the lower body underneath. And don't forget the outer outline around it too.
Count with joy, 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki.
Now let's draw the rocket head on top. A nice tall round shape, like a rocket ship. So cool. And a cylinder shape next to it. Now draw the fins at the bottom, just like a real rocket ship. Now draw one vertical line and one horizontal line inside the main body.
Is it 3?
That makes 4 blocks up here.
Or is it 6
Now draw
colors?
one vertical line and 2 horizontal lines inside the lower body. 4 plus 6 equals 10 blocks total. Now let's draw the face. Draw 2 star shapes, like glasses. Now draw the eyes inside the glasses. Looking super cute. Now draw the happy smile mouth and draw inside the mouth too. And finally, at the very top, write the number 10. Our drawing is complete.
Hello, everyone. I am Sprunki, number block 10. Coloring time. First, pick up the black color. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eyes black. Now color inside the mouth, black too. Did you know black is the color of night skies and shiny shoes? Sharp and clear. Now pick up dark red. Spell dark red, D-A-R-K-R-E-D, dark red. Color the head, dark red. Color the body outline, dark red too. And the lower body outline, dark red. Fun fact, dark red looks like juicy cherries, deep and rich. Now pick up red. Spell red, R-E-D, red. Color the star glasses red. Color the fins red too. Fun fact, red is bold and bright, like a fire truck. Looking cool.
He smiles, we shout hooray, learning numbers every day. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout, 9 and 10. Let's begin again. Numbers growing feel so cool. Learning makes you
Now pick up pink. Spell pink, P-I-N-K, pink. Color the smile pink. Fun fact, pink is the color of cotton candy. So sweet. Now pick up soft pink. Spell soft pink, S-O-F-T-P-I-N-K, soft pink. Color the body soft pink. Fun fact, soft pink is light and gentle, like a flower petal. Almost there.
take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Let's count all the blocks together. Can you keep up?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, you did it! Great counting!
1 and 2 and 3 with glee. Sprunki smiles, let's begin. Counting fun, let it spin. Tap your toes and count along. Learning makes you big and strong. Sprunki says keep going high. Numbers reach up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Numbers make our
And now, the final color. Pick up gray. Spell gray, G-R-E-Y. Color the cylinder gray. Fun fact, gray is made by mixing black and white.
7, 8 all day and night.
Amazing job, super learners! Today, you drew a main body, a lower body, a rocket head, ears, a cylinder, and fins. Star glasses with eyes and a happy smile. And colored every color. Black, dark red, red, pink, soft pink, and gray. You are a superstar artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.